Hello, my name is Julia. I'm talking about my day and my week. First, school. Second, after school extras. And finally, go to bed. First, school get up. I get up at 8 o'clock and I have a shower, get dressed, and then have breakfast. In school, have do your homework and different subjects. My favorite subject is PU. Later, have lunch, sometimes in school. This pasta or vegetables, or fish or meat. And desserts have fruit. Second, after school extras. Monday and Thursday have maths. Wednesday have English and dance. Friday have catechism. And Saturday have tennis. And finally go to bed. I have dinner and then have chatting on the internet with my friends. At 10 o'clock go to bed.